insert the thread. It was broken. I can go back and lock again the stitches so it will not be weak. Where is the thread? This is the struggle of this portable. It's okay. I'm not ready to buy that high speed. There is a debris. They all stuck up. There is a debris there. It will move even it's very thick. If you started at the middle, you can fasten the thread inside before finalizing it, right? So it's almost done. Oh my. There we go. Doesn't like to look. Cut it manually like that. Becoming tight. This is my struggle with my, but it's okay. It's still durable. There you go, it's done. I use the zigzag foot press because it's more upper high Then the straight toothpress, it's very low. I cannot insert this pan, the waistband. At last, so the video is long. I will divide it by 2. I will just say continuation of the stitching of the waistband. So there you go. This is what I'm saying. It's more beautiful to do. See, I stitch here and the bottom and also here. See, the needle number 16 can eat this thick. So the technique is just cut it, but even you cut it, still need to cover the edge, right? It's so you have to buy a very soft fabric. So there you go. It's very beautiful now. You see, all around the waistband, like that, up to here, right? Then I will put buttons. So here, I will show you the next video, the installation of the button.